In this video, I want to break down 5 side hustles that are ideal for students, though these can also be used if you're not a student. Before we dive into the list, let us talk about the side hustles and why they matter. One way of watching videos like this is to just skip ahead, hoping to find that magic idea that will instantly make you money. But let us be real, there is no magic trick. The only way to make money is by providing value to people who are happy to pay for it. When you understand this, you will stop chasing quick fixes and start focusing on building skills and creating opportunities. And by the way, I have earned over $1 million in freelancing on Upwork, and I am passionate about helping others achieve financial freedom. If you want to learn how to craft irresistible Upwork proposals, then grab my free guide link below. Now let us get into the 5 side hustles you can start today, no matter how busy your life is. Number 1, freelancing is one of the most flexible ways to earn money. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or video editing, you can turn your skills into income on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This is how I started, and it has been life-changing. To stand out, create a strong profile and showcase your best work. If you are new to freelancing, then grab my free guide on writing proposals. It is packed with tips that will help you land on your first client. Number 2, this is a quick and easy way to make money. Just look around your dorm room, closet, or items you do not use anymore and sell them on the platforms like Vinted or eBay. The best part? You are decluttering while making extra cash. Once you run out of your own items, offer to sell things for friends or family on commission. It is a simple way to scale this hustle. Number 3, have you noticed outdated businesses like laundromats or car washes in your area? These are untapped opportunities. By offering simple upgrades like online booking or automated billing, you can significantly boost their profits and take a percentage for yourself. For example, if you help a laundromat increase profit by $50,000 and negotiate to 20% cut, you have made $10,000. Tools like Odoo can make setting up these systems a breeze, and once it's done, you will only need to check in occasionally. Number 4, dropshipping is another great option for students. With this model, you set up an online store and sell products without holding any inventory. When someone buys, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Focus on high-ticketed or trending items to maximize your profit margin. Use tools like Shopify to build your store, AI to set up your shops in minutes. Your job is to market the store, and once it's running, you can manage everything from your laptop. Number 5, let us talk about turning your phone into a money-making tool. TikTok Shop is the modern version of selling from home, and it's growing fast. Last year, it brought in $11 billion in gross merchandise volume, and then this year it's projected to hit $17.5 billion. What makes it perfect for students is that it's simplicity. You do not need to hold inventory or worry about shipping. Just pick trending products, upload them to TikTok Seller Center, and promote them through videos. Focus on categories like beauty and fashion, and you will be off to a great start. The more consistent you are, the better the results. These are the 5 fantastic side hustles you can start today, but here is the truth. Ideas are only as good as the action you take, so pick one and get started and see where it takes you. Do not forget to grab my free Upwork proposal guide that's linked below. Let us keep the conversation going in the comments below. Which side hustle are you most excited about? And what is your first step? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to grow your income and build the life you want. Until then, be freelantastic.